the years, the topic of content creation has evolved greatly. When I first started my business in 2017, I I that's when I first got introduced to creating content for my business. By the way, I'm a fashion accessory designer. I make Afrocentric accessories like this one I'm wearing. And back then, 2017, 2018, we had to learn how to start making videos, how to do product photography properly, so I can put it out there on our social media platforms, so that I can put them out there on social media platforms. I have to learn how to, create content for my brand, content for my own niche, which is fashion accessories. And then I think over the years, there have been times where I have been stuck, not knowing what kind of content to create, and not knowing what kind of content to put out there for my brand, for my own business. I know some persons are like me or have been in that position where they had no idea what kind of content to put out. This is the reason why I'm making this video. I am Alive True, and this is Grow with Viz channel. So once again, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm really hoping that before this video ends, you'll be able to get some value, you'll be able to get some direction, and be able to understand what kind of content to put out, the niches that are going to be doing well in 2025 that you can get yourself involved in and not procrastinate on whether you should start a YouTube channel or not. I have 20 of them written out here in my book, so I'm going to just leave them one after another. Kindly follow through to the end so that you might be able, who knows, you may be able to pick out one and get to focus on that one and see how it goes and see how YouTube gets to push your videos out for you. Let's assume that you're struggling with a particular niche. This content, this video I'm making now can actually help you, decide to try another kind of content just in case the one you're doing is not working for you or it's not giving the kind of results you want to see. This video should be able to guide you. Now let's get right into it. In 2025, in fact, from 2024, I noticed that reaction videos have been trending and they have a lot of reactions on them. Reaction videos have been trending. If you don't know what that means, you can just search on YouTube. You can search on YouTube to see what a reaction video is. I have seen so many reaction videos. In fact, I've seen a lot of creators who just focus on reaction videos now. They don't create videos themselves. They get videos that are already created by some other persons and then they just do reaction on them. There are different ways to do a reaction video. If you don't do it properly, you can be tagged for copyright. Even you can even get copyright strike, any of them, if you don't do it right. But once you get to do the video right, trust me, reaction videos are blowing up this year. In fact, beginning from last year, they began to do so well. So you too can also, decide to do reaction videos. You don't have to do so much for a reaction video. You can just watch and, give your own opinion about the video. You can give your own expressions. It doesn't have to be too serious. Go to YouTube channel, go to YouTube search bar and just type reaction videos or how to make reaction videos. I'm very sure that some examples and some other videos can actually come out that you can watch and learn from. The other one on my list here is vlogs. If you check on YouTube, there are a lot of vlog channels. You too can decide to go into vlogging. It could be a travel vlog, it could be a market runs vlog, it could be your normal routine, it could be your exercise routine, it could be your skincare, anything. Vlogging, it's one other niche or one other content idea that can actually help you blow up in 2025. The other one, the third one for me is tutorials on how to, like the one I'm doing now. I'm teaching you how to, right? This channel is basically a how to channel. So you can actually go into that kind of content, creating content around how to make a this, how to make that, how to do this, how to do that, DIY on this, DIY on that. I have a DIY channel, right? Called Visa Freak. This is it showing here. I have a DIY channel. On that channel, I share tutorials. Um, I share tutorials that teaches how to make things like what I'm wearing, right? Things like what I'm wearing, this shirt I'm wearing, how to build on it like this. I have a tutorial channel for that. So you too can actually, get your phone, get your camera and shoot contents that have to do with how to. You are into baking, you are into catering, you are a caterer rather, you are into handcraft, anything. You can record your processes and share them as contents. Now, the fourth one is going to be POV. POV simply means point of view. Now, you have your own point of view. You have the way you see things, right? Other people have their way of seeing things. You can do videos that, share. If you go on TikTok, just type POV on TikTok, POV. A lot of content will pop up, and you can watch them to properly understand what POV talks about. But POV videos are videos that really really trend. They really trend, and they will still trend in 2025. Okay, number five is going to be educational contents. Now, this one will really suit teachers or people who are trainers. You can actually teach English on YouTube. You can teach maths on YouTube. If you're very good with handwriting, you can actually teach handwriting on YouTube. You can actually do there are a whole lot of things you can do as a teacher or as a tutor, as an educator on YouTube. There are other people who are already doing this, right? It's not like you're going to be the first person. So for you to get guide, you can just search here on YouTube for content that have to do with education, and then watch videos so that you too can practice and begin to create your own content. You don't have any reason, you have no excuse why you should procrastinate this year. The sixth one for me is going to be haulage, right? Haulage or declutter. Um, this for me simply means when you go through your things to remove items you're no longer using. The same thing as the closer for me. You go through your items, go through your things to remove the things you no longer need. Either you are reselling them, or you are giving them out, or you're disposing them. So that whole process of clearing up that space, clearing up your kitchen, clearing up your closet, clearing up your work environment, those that thing can be recorded as a content and be shared on your YouTube channel. Another one can be what's it called? Number seven is going to be recommendations. Now you can actually create content where you recommend products or people, where you recommend services or people. You can do it. Have a channel on your channel rather. You can actually talk about recommendations. You have used product before that works for you and that gave you the value you paid for. You can create contents around that product and recommend them for people to see your testimony and also try out the product. Now another one is going to be finances. The finance department is one content niche that is actually underlooked. A lot of persons began this year and they're already confused on how to spend their money. They're already spending the money the wrong way. Some are already confused. How do I save? What percentage do I save? How do I invest? I don't have investment platform. I don't know investment how should I go about my finances? You who is a finance person or who is into that niche, you can create lovely content that explain and teaches people how to use money, how to handle money, how to properly plan their finances. The year is still fresh. The year is still young. You can create content that will help individuals to better plan their finances as they continue the year, right? The next one is going to be cooking videos, videos, baking videos, drink making videos. If you're a caterer, you are a what's it called, a baker, you are into the food industry. If you're doing food processing, you can actually make videos around your what's it called, your kitchen. You can make videos around your workstation and then share that as YouTube content, YouTube ideas. You can do them as a live content. You can do them as a short. You can do them as a long form video. You can just make them as community posts and all of that. So why do you have to wait when you really have good content ideas to share? All of that time you spend in the kitchen just processing this, processing that, doing this, they can all be recorded and shared as tutorials. They can be recorded and shared as what's it called, videos people can refer back to or come back to watch later. Another one is going to be hair videos. In 2024, I think around 2022, 2023, hair, many people, migrated from having their hair trimmed like mine to going into natural hair, right? And I've seen a lot of persons who have testimonials. So if you are someone who has natural hair, or you have dreadlocks, or you have, you know, secrets that you use for your hair to grow properly. You can share that on your YouTube channel. Get people to know about the products you use. Get people to know about how you handle your hair. Teach us how to handle our hair. If I see a video that talks about how to handle my kind of hair, I will watch. I will watch and I'm going to subscribe to that channel. So if you have content and useful information around that area, why procrastinate? Why leave it to lie low and just waste away when you can use to create content for your YouTube channel? Another one is going to be faith videos, videos that talk about your faith and your belief, whether as a Christian, as a Muslim, as which other religion do I know? There are plenty, right? So whatever content, you can create content and talk about your faith, your belief in God, in whoever you believe in. You can share contents around that. For me, I am a believer. I'm a Christian, right? So from time to time, even on this my channel, I'm going to be sharing contents about things that have happened to me before, what has helped me build my faith, the experience I've had in God, right? I'm going to share contents around that, and you too can also do that. So see what you never can tell the content that might blow your channel up. So please don't procrastinate. You have a testimony you want to share, you can do that using your YouTube channel. Another one is going to be your routine. It can be your skincare routine, it can be your hair care routine, it can be your work routine, it can be your exercise routine. There are different routine you can just share. It can be your morning hours. When you wake up in the morning, what are the things you get to do? You can share content around that. Another one is going to be grow sorry, not grow, get ready with me videos. Oh my god, in 2024 those videos really blew up. Everybody who I remember did a get ready with me video. Their video always had lots of view on any platform, whether Facebook, TikTok, YouTube, Instagram. Their videos always had you know massive views. Why? You are someone who is a fashionista, you like to dress up, right? I also like to dress up, by the way, but my problem always is before I remember that I want to record, I'm already done dressing and I'm already rushing off. So you are someone who have the time, right? You can actually record videos, whether short form or long form content, and share on your YouTube channels. Get ready with me videos. The next one is going to be drive with me. There are people who love cars a lot. There are people who have knowledge about cars. There are people who own cars, and you can just record the process where you can even do a live. You can always do live videos about how you're driving around town, how you are. You can teach different parts of the car. There are plenty things about driving with me. Like there are plenty contents. There are things that you can talk about when it comes to drive with me and share on your YouTube channel. Another one is going to be room tour and house tours. There's somebody, this name showing on the screen. She's someone I enjoy to watch her videos on Facebook because she goes from one house to another, doing a tour, like carry take all with the audience along using a camera, asking the owners of the house questions about their houses, how much they built it, how much they spent to get materials, how much their furniture cost. I enjoy watching those kind of videos. So I'm very sure that people like me who will also like to watch those kind of videos coming from you. So you too can actually venture into that. If you have what it takes to actually do a house tour, if you have what it takes to actually do your own house tour, right? You can record contents around that and share. Another one is going to be your skincare product routine. I think I already mentioned that. But that can also, you can actually have a channel. The people that have skincare product channels, and all they do there is their skincare routine. They wake up in the morning, that whole thing they do on their face, that thing they do, they record all of that and share as vlogs. Another one now is going to be storytelling, right? If you're someone who loves to tell stories, if you're someone who knows how to tell stories, using this new AI tool, there are a lot of AI tools now that can actually help you to generate stories. All you need to do is to have just go on ChatGPT or go on any other AI platform and then platform or app and then create stories that are relatable, interesting, that your audience can connect with. and then you can share those as contents, whether on Facebook or YouTube or Instagram. You can share all of those stories. In fact, on YouTube, here, there are so many storytelling channels. Now, if you don't want to go that route, you yourself, you love to tell stories, you can actually, create content where you are telling your own stories and use visuals, or even use your own, like, tell the story while you're talking, you're recording yourself. You can do that and share as content ideas. Another one is going to be faceless channels. Currently, faceless channels are channels that are really blowing up. In fact, in 2024, I know a lot of persons who went into creating faceless channels and they got monetized really fast. On their faceless channels, they use those channels to do what I already mentioned, storytelling. They just generate stories using AI and then share them. That's all. They're not seen, they're not known, but the channels are doing well. So why are you procrastinating when you can even go that route? Let's assume that you're a shy person. You don't want to be seen, you don't want to be heard, you don't want anybody to know about you. You can, open the start of a faceless channel and allow the user algorithm to do the work for you. The next one is going to be nature. You can decide to, the people who enjoy to see the sunrise and the sunsets. If you have the opportunity, you are around that area where you can really capture that. You can, capture all of that and share. You can, visit zoo, museum, and just, capture all those artifacts and things around nature generally. There are people who love to watch it, like people who want to see how, in the morning, as early as 6 o'clock, you see, okay, at 5, you see dark, and then gradually it begins to, become bright. They want to see all those, they want to watch those kind of things. There are people who like wildlife. If you have the opportunity to record, yes, you have a catfish, you have a catfish pond, you can record the life of, it's that's funny, but you can record the life of the pets you have and share. There are people who love to watch those kind of contents, right? Now, another one is going to be ASMR videos. ASMR videos, I tried that last year and it worked for me on my other channel before what happened. What happened was that I mistakenly deleted all of my live stream videos, and that really affected my channel and, affected the algorithm for me. But I tried ASMR videos on my channel last year and it really did work for me. I had lots of views. This shows that there are people who enjoy to watch ASMR videos. You can create contents around ASMR videos. If you don't know what that means, just use the search bar and search for ASMR videos. You understand it better. It has to do with noises, right? Like something like this. You're unboxing a gift. That noise that the gift wrap makes when you tear the carton open, that noise it makes when you're opening a bag, the noise it makes, all of that thing. I had people who will chat me up and tell me this is helping them to relax. This is helping them to sleep. Like, and I'm wondering, okay, to me this is actually noise. Like, it's noise, even though it's not a noisy noise, but it's noise. But people actually enjoy it. So you can actually share content around ASMR videos, right? The last one for me is going to be 24-hour challenge, a day where you get to stay without your phone. You stay without your phone, that means you're using the phone to record yourself, right? Do you get it? So 24 hours, like the entire day, you just station your phone somewhere and record all of your activities for that day. You are still without your phone. It's a challenge. You can do it as a challenge, get people to support you, get people to jump on the challenge, and just, enjoy yourself while you are filming. You can really do it a live section. In fact, it's even going to be more fun if it's a live stream, right? So these 20 content ideas, which would you love to try? I am already doing how to, and that's why I have this channel. And I'm really excited because it's already going so well for me. I'm trusting that you too will be able to pick one of these content ideas or one of the niches I've mentioned and create content around that instead of procrastinating. It will not help you if you keep procrastinating and saying, I will, in February, I will start, in March, I will start. You might never get to start. So why not start now using any of these, topics that I have shared to begin your own YouTube channel? Thank you for watching to this point. I really do appreciate the fact that you have come across my page. I'm hoping that you will leave a thumbs up for me, you leave a comment, you share this video. But most importantly, I'm really hoping that you get to subscribe. So don't leave here without subscribing. Use the subscription button and see you in my next video. Bye.